Wheezer Presents. We are here at the Ontario Convention Center here in Ontario, in the San Bernardino County, and we are here for Comic-Con Revolution. We were here yesterday. Today I decided to do day 2. So, sounds like John. So let's check out what's going on today. And it's hot. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, it's Alan from The Hangover.
I'm very proud to be here. They need me. Let's go.
You know, it'd be great as if he told his Wolfpack story.
What?
I watched The Hangover the other day, and I loved it when Alan breaks out. They're on the roof, and he just roofied everybody, and he tells his
That's not how it happened.
He tells his Wolfpack story about being the lone Wolfpack, and then Doug became the second part of the lone Wolfpack, and now there's two in the Wolfpack.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
Okay, I'm gonna write it down for you so you can read it next time.
There's no basis for those rumors.
Do this one. Do you have a card? Thank you very much. Sure to give some love to this guy. So right here we have the famous Jen McGon from Disney.
Yes, I.
Just going in, giving me a little autograph, a little from his table here.
Sure, absolutely. So that would be 90. All right.
You already got your Cindy shot, right?
Yeah. The legendary Billy West from Ren and Stimpy cartoons and Futurama. Later on, we'll be meeting Scott Grimes again. There's the legendary Sean Khan. Mr. Sam Jones, aka Flash Gordon. Brandon Cutler, AEW wrestler. That is legendary Jenny Kwan from Avatar, but best known for California Dreams, one of my favorite teen shows. Hey, guess what? Guess who I ran into? Heather from Real Talk Tonight.
Hi.
Has joined me here over at Comic-Con Revolution. And who is that between us? But the legendary Billy West. Billy West, the voice of Ren and Stimpy, or Jay Fry from Futurama, and voices of other great characters that we grew up with when we were our teens, 20s, and even today. Matter of fact, I understand he said that they're rebooting Ren and Stimpy.
Yes.
So I think it's on the Paramount channel or some platform. So we gotta check that out.
All right, my darling, I'm ready for you.
What's happening? All right, check this out. Check this out.
What you need?
Bam! Bam!
All right.
Now it's got a story with it.
Yeah, man. It's the only way that makes it all the way legit.
Oh, wow. You got Elizabeth? Yeah, I'll do right here.
So yesterday at day one at Comic-Con Revolution, Donald Philolove had a little bobble and it fell, and we'll show the video right here.
Thank you. Oh, boy.
You look different. And so it became the Zombie Donald, or Zombie Goldie, because he was from Back to the Future. He was Goldie Wilson, the soda jerk who became the mayor of town from Back to the Future. The bobblehead actually fell, don't know how, but it broke, and so the head broke. He filled it in with red marker and called it the Zombie Goldie. So the video I showed, the video of me getting capture of his bobblehead falling down.
Man, Goldie Wilson, like the sound of that.
Are you for now? Oh, so we're waiting for Claudia Wells, Jennifer Park from Back to the Future.
Hello, how are you?
Hello.
Echo. Would you like your name on it? And your name is Heidi. And did you want to like? Alrighty, then we'll just turn the TV.
Okay, Jennifer's here. We're gonna take the new truck for a spin. Well, bring it.
Creek and the tombstones quake. Happy haunts with.
Have a good one, Claudia.
You too.
That's the legendary Colin Perez. Yesterday, I'll show video footage. Walter Jones of the Power Rangers. He was out here doing a little dance routine with one of his fans. It was totally awesome. Check it out. Once again, I want to tell you, you have the best dancing skills.
Thanks, sir. I appreciate it.
The legendary WWF wrestler, Greg the Hammer Van Zandt. What's up, man?
So yesterday. Yeah, welcome back.
And your name was?
Irvin, man.
How you doing, man?
Pleasure to meet you.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah, I just, the last time when I was with the other wrestlers, I had a picture of just the belt, and then I actually incorporated myself with it, so I appreciate it. It was a pleasure meeting you, Mr. Valentine.
Thank you.
We met Scott Grimes yesterday when we came here for Comic-Con, and really cool guy, really awesome guy. And he gave us a story that he told us about, because I brought a videotape of Nightlife. I can't remember. I was so stoked. It's a videotape that I had in my collection for about 20 years. It was one of my favorite one of my favorite zombie movies, films. It's quirky, it's kind of goofy, but it's straight up like just good. Anyways, Scott had fun on it. He told me but he also talked about one of the actors. I forgot what actor. I forgot his name. I'll post it right here. So he was telling me that this guy basically was crazy. He was just, I don't know, out of his mind. They actually fired him during production, and they replaced him with a stunt double, and that's who did. Matter of fact, you know what? We'll let him explain it right here.
The movie for the coaster, but I never met those before. They're not in the movie. Those are like stunt actors that did it. But the four, you know the movie, right?
Yes.
The four teenagers, right? There's the good-looking guy. I forgot what his name was in the movie. Anyway, that actor is an actor named Ken Davis. I have haven't talked to him or seen him since I wrapped this movie in 1703, whenever the hell we did this, so long ago. He contacted me and contacted my dad about a week ago. Crazy psycho, like saying, I want to hire Scott for this sex movie that I'm doing. And I'm like, Dad, he's like, Dad, my dad calls me because he's my business manager, he's my best friend. And my dad's like, dude, you got to be careful. This guy, Ken Davis, is saying that he wants to offer you $5 million to do a porn film. I swear to God, guys. And I'm like, the guy that was in Nightlife? So that's so weird that this is the second time in a week that this has been brought through my brain. And sorry to tell you that stupid story, but
no, that's great.
He was nuts back then. So they fired him. Once they turned into the zombies, they just hired his stunt guy because he was such a jerk to work with. Because you couldn't recognize him anyway, right?
Basically, was his character.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. That's exactly right.
Yeah.
This is cool. You want to sign this?
Hell yeah.
Oh fuck yeah, man! Look at that waft of hair.
Yeah.
I'm gonna come back tomorrow and get one of these.
Oh, cool, man. Yeah. You want to just sign it or to you?
You can sign it to Jamie, Jaime, wherever you can.
Great, yeah.
Because I've had this in my collection for almost 20 years. And it's one of my favorite movies. They just never released it on DVD or Blu-ray. So I'm like, and I was just thinking, I'm like, wait a minute, I have that movie. I'll get him to sign this thing.
Yeah, this movie, I had such a blast making it. We made it, and then a week after we started making it, they fired the director, hired a new director. This movie almost wasn't made. It's not amazing, but it's not terrible.
It's a good movie. I love it. It's just a good zombie.
It's a really kind of good
movie.
And look, John Aston's
so
in it.
Dumb. It's
Cool
good.
Yes. Yeah.
Wow.
Oh man, I gotta watch that. I gotta figure that out. I think my dad definitely has it on video.
Anthony Gary?
Anthony Gary's in it. That's right.
Oh my God.
John Aston.
Oh my
Yeah.
God. That is so
Yeah, Nightlife.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Nightlife, awesome.
Amazing.
Very fun. Thanks for bringing that up to me today.
No problem.
That cheered me up. That's my favorite.
I just want to say how sorry I am, and I hope this experience will bring us even closer together.
We are here. I'm in line right now to get an autograph of Dante Bosco, best known as Rufio in Avatar also. So let's go get it. Rufio! Hey, what's up,
how
man?
you doing?
All right.
Oh, it's in the eye.
Don't mind if I take a really quick picture? Awesome, thank you.
Who we do? Who's Jamie?
For me.
Jaime.
Yes. Either or.
Either or. We know what it is. We know.
Are you Filipino too?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. See,
Very cool.
Filipino brothers.
Where are you from?
Actually from California City. I was born at Edwards Air Force Base. My dad was military.
Of course.
So my mom's from Mindanao.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
From the South.
Yeah.
Well, Pinoy pride. We're giving Pinoy pride here, man.
Hell yeah. That's what I'm talking about.
So Edwards Air Force, huh?
Yeah.
And my uncle's at Edwards. My dad was in Subic in the Navy.
Oh, okay, Navy.
So my grandpa's Army. So we're all over the place.
Oh, it's a pleasure, man.
Nice to meet you. Such a pleasure.
You too.
Have a great weekend.
You too.
Nice to meet you guys. Have a great weekend.
You too.
You too.
Pinoy power, man.
Pinoy power.
So we had just met Dante Basco from, of course, Hook, Rufio. A lot of kids here, a lot of people here are know him for Avatar. So I'm one of the very few who knew Dante and got an autographed picture of him from Hook. And of course, Dante being a Filipino, he gave me that Filipino love, and he even signed it with the Filipino love also, which is totally awesome. This is the famous Jenny Kwan from what I remember from California Dreams. I met her last year. Very nice woman, very awesome, very professional.
I'm off to a photo op, so I'll see you later.
All right.
You're right, no. He's the most popular man.
Legendary Sam
We don't get to
Jones.
see you.
You too.
Here we are, man. Look, Comic-Con Revolution.
Hey, did you figure out
But it's a peaceful revolution, okay?
See, yesterday we saw Sam Jones, and we were having issues with the square because my card didn't take. So we learned something new. We learned how to type it manually.
Tell them why your card wasn't working.
Because
it wouldn't slide. Because how are you?
I used my card too much. It was all fat and
Jagged.
All right, Sam. Thanks.
Deadpool. It's Deadpool.
Oh my God, it's Deadpool.
It's Deadpool. Oh my God.
Yeah, way to kill the segment there, buddy. So we are standing here with Deadpool. And what are you? Sam Manson from Danny Phantom. I don't know. You're old. You are old. I know Kim Possible, not Danny Phantom.
That was around
Yeah.
Do you not watch Nickelodeon?
Not all.
They need to do. They need to do. One autograph. Oh, with the quote? Because with service card. Without the service, without the quote, it's okay. No, but you guys don't. So it's 100. 100. Or oh yeah, 100. Yeah. No, you're okay. I was like, not kidding.
She's scary. Serena, let's see it.
Oh, I love that.
All right, here we go. This is the famous Mean Chen. You may remember him from Comic Book Men.
Also Kevin Smith throws me in his movies every so often. Clerks 3, kids have a reboot. But you know what I really love is being here at Comic-Con Revolution with you guys. That's all I care about. And you know, and it is my honor to be on this vlog now, man. I love it. Listen, I love cool people. I love documenting things. How's your day been?
Fantastic.
It's been a great weekend.
Yeah,
Truly. It's really been a great weekend.
Got to hang out with people like you.
Oh yeah, I saw my friends. It's awesome. Yeah, man. Listen, yeah. Welcome, guys. Welcome, everybody. The Ming Chen table at Comic-Con Revolution 2023. Hey, what a weekend! What a weekend! I'm glad you guys are here. This is what we do, and this is why we do it, my friends. Yes. And yes, like, subscribe, and tell all your friends.
Yes.
I just did the same. So yeah.
Thank you.
Thanks.
So that was Mean Chen from Comic Book Men. I think it was on the History Channel or something like that. Anyways, that I guess that concludes Comic-Con Revolution 2023. Until next time. Well, this concludes another fun adventure here at California. That concludes another fun time here at Comic-Con Revolution 2023. As you can see, we have all kinds of great time. That concludes another fun adventure here at Comic-Con Revolution 2023. Until next time, this is the Wheezer for Wheezer Productions saying good night. We are going back in time. Well, I hope you had a fun time. I know I did. Out here at Comic-Con Revolution 2023. I'm the Wheezer, and this is Wheezer Productions. Until next time, peace.